Okay, so now let's finally start building our particular project. So over here,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
let's create a function, and the name of the function is basically get output, and this takes in an input value. Let's call this x. So for now let's call it input because later on we'll be specifying the value of x. So we have input over here. Okay, so now the very first thing which we need to do is initialize the variables a, b and c. So now over here var a, okay, so instead of var you can also use constant over here because the value of a is not going to change. Okay, so we have constant a, and that is equal to tf dot scalar, and let's say we want to make it 2. Then we have constant b, which is again tf dot scalar. Let's make this 4, and then we have constant c, which is tf dot scalar, and this is 3 over here. Okay, so now next up we have to basically calculate the final output value. Okay, so now let's call this as var d, and let's make this equal to, so now first of all we have to multiply a with the input, basically the x input. So now over here let's multiply a with x squared. Okay, so we have a dot multiply, and inside multiply we basically have x squared. Okay, so we have input dot square. Okay, so now we have input squared, so now we have to basically add something to it. Okay, so let's add round brackets around this. Okay, so over here we have a, this bracket is ending over here, so now let's do a dot add, and over here we basically want b dot multiply, and we have to multiply it with x, so let's call this input. And then now we have to basically let's convert this again into brackets. So then now after the add we basically have a dot, and now we have to again add the value of c. So add, and we have c over here. Okay, so now essentially what we have done is that we have done a dot multiply, and this basically multiplies the value of input squared. So over here we have ax square up to this term, and then now we are adding the value of b times x, so which is dot add b dot multiply, and then we have input, and then we have a dot c value. Okay, so we dot add c, so basically we have ax squared plus bx plus c with this particular value. So now all we have to do is d dot print. Okay, and now over here we have to basically call in the function. Okay, so let's get the output of, now we have to basically define in a variable over here, and now as you can see we are performing actions on this particular input over here. So for that the input basically has to be a tensor. Okay, so let's make this tf dot scalar, and now inside the scalar let's pass in the value of 2. Okay, so now let's save this, and now let's see if we are getting any particular output as we want. Okay, so now over here, yes, we are getting the output of 19. Okay, so now let's check if we are right. So we have 2 into 2 square, so 2 into 2 square gives us 4 into 2, which is 8. So over here we have 8, and now we have 4 into 2, so 4 2s are again 8 over here, and now we have 3 over here, so we have 3. So 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, so with this we have successfully completed our very first project, and first of all congratulations to you. And then covering this particular project was very important because this is the main concept where our next particular project will be based on. The next one is the equation finder, and it will be based on basically the same thing where we have ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so this was a 2-degree equation. Then we'll be basically we'll be having a 3-degree equation later on, and then we'll use machine learning to optimize the values of a, b and c and d in that case, which are the coefficients, to basically get a graph as we want. Okay, so now I would highly recommend that you again recap through some of the lectures if you don't have a particular thing clear in your mind, and then if you have any doubts, post it in the Q&A sections in this particular course. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And yes, after that you can mark this section as completed and you can proceed on to the next section.